Hello and welcome to Forex View, the largest Forex strategy, stocks, binary option, CFDs, and cryptocurrency resource channel for Forex traders. Before started, if you are new on my channel, please do subscribe, like my video and share with social media. It helps to inspire our works. Today, we will look at the top 3 best Forex brokers in Nigeria. To help Nigerian Forex traders choose a broker, we compared the fees and Forex trading platforms to find the best Forex brokers in Nigeria. Only CBN-regulated Forex brokers and brokers from Tier 1 regions, such as Europe, were considered as part of this year comparison. Number 1. Xm4x Broker. XM Group is a part of Trading Point of Financial Instruments Limited, which was established in 2009. They are regulated by CySEC since 2015. XM has 3 major account types, with very low starting deposit and competitive fees. XM has 3 major account types, with very low starting deposit and competitive fees. Their euro to US dollar spreads are as low as 0.8 pips. With their ultra-low accounts, which is one of the lowest in the industry. Another plus is there is no requotes policy. 99.35% of orders with XM are executed in under a second. And the company has a strict no requotes policy, so instant order execution is guaranteed at XM. Pros and cons. XM is regulated with 2 top-tier regulators, i.e. CySEC. XM has very competitive spread, fast withdrawals, negative balance protection, and very quick execution of orders. XM has very responsive and knowledgeable chat support available 24/7. Cons. XM does not have a local office in Nigeria. The spread with micro account is the lowest. Number 2, Fxtm. Fxtm was founded in 2011. And they are a FCA-regulated Forex broker, which is a top-tier regulation, so we consider them to be a safe broker. They offer 3 account types, all of them can be funded in USD or Naira, and have very low minimum deposit requirements. Fxtm Broker has local offices in Lagos and Abuja. They offer English language customer support via phone, live chat, and email. Fxtm has 19 deposit and withdrawal options, which include many methods, for Nigerian traders, including bank deposit and card payment. Fxtm also has NAS 100 instrument available to traders in Nigeria. Pros. Fxtm is a highly regulated Forex broker. Low spreads for most major and minor currency pairs, including fast local bank withdrawals in Nigeria. Fast local bank withdrawals in Nigeria. Cons. Fxtm has higher spread with their micro account, and it's 1.9, but it's still comfortable. Number 3, Xm4x Broker. Xm Group is a regulated broker in UK and EU. They offer market execution, but it is very fast. Very competitive spread of as low as 0.3 pips, for euro to US dollar. Xm was founded in the year 2008 and it is one of the largest brokers, in terms of trading volume. Xm has a wide range of trading instruments, to choose from, with more than 100 plus major, minor and exotic currency pairs. The broker offers up-to-date financial news and technical analysis charts to its users so that they can invest better. Another key feature is that withdrawals via some methods are executed instantly upon request. Pros. Xm is a reputed broker that, regulated with FCA in the UK and CySEC in Cyprus. Very low spread of as low as 0.3 pips. $1 deposit requirements with cent and mini accounts. Local online bank trading funding and withdrawal option is available in Nigeria. Cons. Xm could do better by offering sign-up bonus to new traders. To create a real or demo account, check below. I have given broker link in the description below. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoy the video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more updates. If you have any questions, feel free to tell us in the comment section below.